Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete instabridge app if not showing uninstall option on your phone. So all you have to do right now is here. As you can see, the instabridge keep asking as your default home app or default system launcher. There's two notifications. This is the first one. The second one, it keeps annoying. You can skip and keep asking, let's try once more, blah blah blah. So there is, so all you have to do is just close by tap three dots at the bottom of your screen. The first way is just hold this icon and tap this uninstall. If you cannot see, you can go to the app info and then try to uninstall from the system here. This is the first way. And the third way, see, keep asking me, it's annoyed. You can go to Play Store, you can tap on Play Store, you can tap on instabridge, tap again and uninstall from the Play Store. And let's get back. And the other way, manage your account. Here, manage app and device, tap on manage, sort by name in here, and scroll down and try to search the instabridge from here. You can uninstall by tap on trash icon. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.